Hello, I'm Mihela. Today we talk about a bird where the male and female are completely different. The pied harrier. The pied harrier is an Asian species of bird of prey. A spectacular harrier patterned in black and silvery white. It is migratory, breeding from Amur Valley in eastern Russia and northeastern China to North Korea. Wintering individuals can be found in a wide area from Pakistan to Philippines. The male is distinctive with black head, striking yellow cere and eyes, and black shoulders, breast and wingtips, contrasting with its silvery white underparts and forewing. The female is grey and brown above and lighter below, with a small white rump. The species hunts by quartering suitable habitat on buoyant wings. It eats mostly small mammals, amphibians, reptiles and insects. Females superficially resemble female Palid and Montagu's harriers, but have a paler underwing with narrow, dark barring and sparse streaking on underwing coverts. Their calls are like locally named Gomara Harikussa. I have not seen the pied harrier. It can be seen all across Sri Lanka during winter. One such place is Pigeon Island National Park, located in Trincomalee. It is primarily a snorkeling destination. With crystal clear waters, you get to see some amazing marine life and corals.